Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing lamb, spinach and feta triangles. Really easy to do. Let's not waste any time, let's get on with it. A little bit of oil into a pan. I'm going to add in 1 chopped onion, just a medium type dice. Put that straight in, gives that a bit of a stir around like I'm doing right there. The next thing I'm going to add in is 500 grams of lamb mince or ground lamb. I'm going to put that straight in, break that up a little bit like I'm doing there, and we're just going to let that cook off at that medium type heat. Give it a bit of salt, around about a good teaspoon's worth. Good bit of freshly ground black pepper that can go in as well. Add as much or little as you want, around about the equivalent to 1.5 to 2 cloves of garlic that can go straight in as well. Give that a mix up. Don't forget to stir those spices through. Right, I'm going to add in here a little bit of bahara seasoning. Now, if you don't know what bahara is, it's a little Middle Eastern spice. I'll add a link in the description below so you can make your own. It's quite simple. Right, I'm going to add in around about 200 grams worth of thawed frozen spinach, if that makes sense. That can go straight in, and there's no problems using frozen spinach at all. It works perfectly for this recipe. Right, I'm going to add in just a little dash of allspice just to give it a little bit more oomph, and we're going to mix that up like I'm doing there, and all we have to do now is transfer that into a bowl, let it come down to a room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, we're going to add in some little diced pieces of feta cheese. A Greek feta is preferable. Right, they always taste better than the Danish. No offense to the Danes. Give that all a really good mix up like I'm doing right there, and we're going to be getting ready to make our little triangles. Okay, so give that a good stir like that. Now let's make these triangles. I'm going to add a sheet of phyllo pastry. Give that a spray with some spray oil or melted butter. I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to double that up. Don't worry if it's a little bit torn, everything is going to work out in the end. Get that nice and smooth, just like I've done, and all we're simply going to do is grab a knife and cut that in half straight down lengthwise like that. How easy. Right, give that another bit of lubrication. That's what we want, and all we have to do now is add our mixture to one corner of that piece of pastry. So we're going to add it enough so we can make a nice little full little parcel when we fold this over. Now take note as to how I fold this. It is really important and makes it so easy to do. So get everything in the corner. We're going to fold that diagonally like that, and then again up on the edge like that. Don't forget, all our pastry is already lubricated with the oil, so it's going to help everything stick together. Again, we're going to fold that over, fold that up, and look, different manufacturers of phyllo pastry make their sheets a little bit different, and it's not always going to work out geometric or mathematically correct, so we end up with a little bit of a tail there. We can cut that off, we can throw that in the bin, and before you know it, look at that, we have got a beautiful little lamb, spinach and feta triangle parcel. Alright, so keep going on with the rest of the mixture that you have. You probably end up with a little bit left over. Don't worry, it tastes great with a bit of mashed potato the next day. Give everything a little bit of a spray. Oven's at 180 degrees. They're going to go in for around about 20-25 minutes or until golden brown, as like that. And there you go, you've got KP's lamb, spinach and feta triangles. Alright, really simple. Obviously you try and make this one at home. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment, love reading them, love responding to them. But in the meantime, I'm off to eat these lamb, spinach and feta triangles, and I will catch you next time. Bye!